Hey Carrie, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can use right away to increase your traffic and get more of those organic leads. Now, the first thing that I need to mention is that 70% of your organic leads are going to stem from your website. So it is really important that your website be fully optimized so that you can get that traffic. Now, as you can see, we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. Let's see. Got a little bit of content. I'm not seeing much as far as keywords go. Can't tell if you service outside of San Diego either. So the first thing is Google does not rank a website based on appearance. It is all based on content. Content is key when it comes to ranking. Your homepage needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, and it needs to be centered around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for in Google for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company, and they may not care in an emergency, but they know the service that they need, and that's what they're going to be Googling. Um, so you definitely need to work on your content, and you also need to make sure that you have more content than your top competitors in each of your service areas. If you're only servicing San Diego, then this is fine. But if you're servicing the county or outside San Diego, then you're going to need additional pages for your service areas that focus on the local keywords in those areas for your services. You need to make sure that you have a separate service page for each of your services with its own unique content. So you're going to need separate pages for all of this. Um, Google has crawlers, which are like mini robots that go and index all of your pages and all of your content to pull the keywords and to put you in front of your customers. So it is really important, excuse me, that you work on your content and keyword strategy. Your number one competitor is Bill Howe. And I recognize he has a lot of services that you don't do. But even just in the restoration and flood market, they are pretty powerful in San Diego. So they are a tough competitor. Um, they have a very nice website, very well done. They have the separate pages for each of their services. They've got separate pages for service areas. They've got a ton of content. They're going after the relative keywords. They have a ton of pages. In order to beat these guys, you're going to need more content than they do for all of their relevant pages to your services. So all of their restoration type services, they have a number of pages for those. So you need to be able to beat their content and work on your keyword strategy. That'll be the first part. Um, the next thing is this is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. As you can see, you have a rating of a 5 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not have a whole lot of trust in your website. And that is 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. you only have 81 backlinks. You're going to need a lot more backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you do need to make sure that they are high authority backlinks, that the backlinks are related to your industry and services, and that they are do follows. You've been indexed for 169 keywords, and you're only getting about 69 people to your website per month. So you're missing out on a considerable amount of volume. If we look at your competitor, you can see their domain rating is a 36. So that is really nice. And that's because they have over 13,000 backlinks. And they're using their backlinks appropriately with their keywords. So they're ranking #1 for just about all their major keywords. They've got over 11,000 keywords indexed, and they're getting over 7,200 people to their website per month. Now, mind you, a lot of that is other services you don't provide, but it just kind of shows you the type of volume that you're really missing out on. Backlinks are when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that's linking to you, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power and will help you to rank. When they are do follow backlinks instead of no follow, they will share the power of those high ranking sites with you and help you to rank faster. And then it's critical that you are linking these backlinks to your keywords so that you can rank for your keywords and be found for your services. And the last thing I want to talk about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for your relative keywords in your service area. Because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So, in order to be in the top 3, there's a number of factors, but the most important is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website. Having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Dex, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. And you need a lot more of those and better quality ones than your top competitors. And when you follow all these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for your service area and your relative keywords. We really hope you found this video to be helpful and would definitely love some feedback on what you thought. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.